So there are times when you want to have a more realistic appearance when you're working with objects that are mirrored. So for example, this cube, if I was to go and turn on mirror in its material and increase the reflectivity, if I render this, I don't see anything. And that's because I'm rendering the backdrop and it's gray. If I decrease the reflectivity a bit and re-render, now you can start to see the object. Well, that's certainly not what we want. When we render a mirror object, we want it to mirror something. So to do that, I'm going to add an environment map. And we can do that by going to the textures. We're going to add a texture for the backdrop. And notice I've selected the world. And I'm going to add a new image. And I'm going to go open an image that I downloaded from the internet. Make sure that if you're doing this that you use a high quality large image. Notice how big this one is. And this is an HDRI image, a high dynamic range image. And I'm going to open that image. Notice that everything's kind of curvy around here because an HDRI image is a picture of an entire environment in a sphere. If I switch over to world, though, I'm not seeing anything. And that's because I need that picture to influence the horizon and the zenith. I also want to make sure that things look right, and that's definitely not right. See the curvature occurring there? So I am going to change it from view to equal rectangular. And now if I go and look at that, notice that there are straight lines along there. The pole looks straight. So now I can render, and I see the backdrop and I see the cube. Okay, and notice the cube is reflecting what's behind it, or what's in front of it in this case.